going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. For a little background on today's video, we did paint this bumper. It was chrome. We painted the body color mesh, and we installed these marker lights and we installed these reverse lights. There it is. So we wired up the marker lights, but we did not wire up the reverse lights. I ran out of time on the project, so today I'm gonna wire them up. All right, first step is we have to get access to our tail lights here. So to remove your tail lights, it's literally 2 bolts right here and here. Take those out and you pull outward this way and your tail light should come right out. All right, I am up under the truck and show you how we're gonna do this. This is the wire from our reverse lights, red and black. I pre-ran some red and black wire from up top where the tail lights are. I'm just gonna connect black with black, red with red. I'm gonna use these heat shrink covers, heat shrink tubing set to cover the wires. Wrap the wires around each other and use these heat shrink tubing and a heat gun. Not really a heat gun, it was actually a hair dryer because I don't have a heat gun. But anyway, I used a hair dryer to heat them up so that they don't come apart. These quick splice connectors, and I already put one on each. You have a green wire and you'll have a black wire with a yellow greenish stripe. Your green is your positive, your black at your green stripe is your negative. So on the ends of our wires from our reverse lights, you have your black, which is going to go to your black, and you have your red, which is going to go to your green wire, which is your positive. So this actually, the green wire actually has a, if you can see, it actually has a purple stripe on it. And it's only 2 wires. When you look at this is your reverse light here at the bottom. So corresponds to this green connector here. That's how you know which one is your reverse, apart from your brake light. The top is your brake light, the bottom is your reverse light. So now I'm just gonna plug them in and we should be good to go. All right, and just like that, you have your extra lighting. Now we're gonna put this back on, and then we're gonna go move to the other side, and that'll be it. Quick install, quick step-by-step on how to install these reverse lights.